Hello, what we got here today is this Hampton Bay. It's one of the palm leaf blades. I have no clue what brand it is. Well, I don't know what type it is. I don't know what its official name is. The light here does work, and I'll show you. As you can see, light does work. Put it on high. Oh damn, this thing moving there. Oh yeah, feel that Hampton Bay air. Wonder where Hampton Bay's company is actually located. Very slight wobble. Probably when I'll show up on camera. This is the Hampton Bay. Ooh, it's cold. Turn on the medium. This one does hum. Oh man. She has to deal with the weather and everything. God damn, it's making me cold. It is the middle of winter after all. Here I am in short sleeve shirt, filming a ceiling fan in the middle of winter that's outside. I feel smart. Put it back into a slow speed. Yeah, sorry for making this video such a rushed one. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and more to come.